Okay, we're in something called Hawker Street. Explain everything else to you in a little bit as we walk down Hawker Street.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the road.
chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to be walking down Hawker Street. Today is the first day after an outbreak of Delta COVID, which had 4 cases. I just was filming up there and showing some video up there. A lot of people are, I think they're kind of getting food supplies and different things too, and shopping, just in case anything changes. Yeah, a lot of people are in the stores playing up. Oh man. So yeah, we have the COVID scare, so I just filmed a couple of videos showing parts of Macau with the COVID and somebody yelling, like really emotionally upset about the Guilo, the foreigner, who my mask was down just a little bit, wasn't covering my nose. But I have to be very sensitive to everything right now and be really careful because tensions are really high. So anyways, we're at Hawker Street. And I think I'm kind of just anxious to kind of get out of the streets and get out of everything right now. So let's just kind of angle up and get out of here and get home and stay safe. It's the Hawker Street back that way. And yeah, okay.